Hi guys, my name is Ranil. I have completed my B.TECH from Ranil Institute of Technology in Mechanical Engineering in the year of 2021. I have joined in the QSpiders for the estate course. Initially, I have joined for the regular classes. In the middle of the classes, I have shifted to Super 100 batch. In the Super 100 batch, compared to regular classes, the schedulings are totally different. In the Super 100 batch, from 9 to 4, you have to stay in the institute only. In that, they are segregated the hours for the students, like 4 hours for the classes and 2 hours for the study and 2 hours for the presentation. In the Super 100, they are focusing the more compared to regular classes on the student, and they are providing the separate classes for classrooms for the Super 100 batch, and they are assigning the mentors, trainers to the Super 100. Compared to regular classes, there are 100% chances to get a job if you are joined in the Super 100 batch, and in the Super 100 batch, the interviews are unlimited for the students. And I am thanking to QSpiders team and QSpiders organization